Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Obortech token. Ticker symbol is Obot. Now this token is trending right now on DEX tools, and it was just announced that they will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Obot token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Obortech.io is their official webpage. So it says here, Obortech is a decentralized and democratic digital ecosystem pioneering deepin in the supply chain industry via decentralized data control. It is an all-in-one simple solution to enable a digitized and traceable supply chain for real-world assets field. Now, Obortech has 12 awards for multinational organizations such as Microsoft, Amazon, Google, PwC, World Bank, MIT Accelerator, and Poland Prize. Fruit, Logistica, Berlin Partners, etc. There is a total supply of 300 million Obortech tokens. It is on the base chain. You can find it on basescan.org. Right now they have 660 holders, 18 decimal places on this token here. And this token is actually trending right now on DEX tools, number 9 in the base section, doing very well today. And this token also is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 9th at exactly 10 a.m. UTC time. The Obot token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Then when this token gets listed tomorrow, go into the trade section and search Obortech, and then simply just buy the token. Now, it says here the normal ticker symbol is Obot, but on Mexc Global it will be listed as Obortech, maybe because there was another token in the past with the same ticker symbol, Obot. So just be aware of that. Now, going on today, a day prior to the listing on December 8th, there is a Kickstarter event going on Mexc Global where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops. And there is a reward pool available of 50,000 USDT. So check that Kickstarter event out going on today on Mexc Global. Now this token has a 35-page white paper linked on their webpage with tons of links, tons of information on there that you can go through. I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual. And like I said earlier, their webpage is Obortech.io, and you could change the language on there. There's info specifically about the token on there, use cases, how it works. So basically this token has to do with blockchain, artificial intelligence, real-world assets, and sustainability. And they have tons and tons of partners. They're multi-award-winning platform here. It says pioneering decentralized physical infrastructure networks for the global supply chain. So they have increased operational efficiency and better fleet management, better risk analysis and faster trade finance processing, reduced disputes caused by inconsistent or late data sharing, transparency on product traceability and provenance, broader market access and stronger customer relationship, and increased visibility and accurate planning. The Smart Hub offers, so it says blockchain and cloud powered communication hub, accessible via easy to use web and mobile user interfaces and an open API. The Smart Hub brings together supply chain actors and enables their supply chains to share information, collaborate, conduct data analysis, and validate product traceability in real time on a trusted platform. Also, tamper-proof and unified and online document exchange. So the Smart Hub allows secure sharing and exchange of documents within the supply chain partners using blockchain-powered version control. Authorized parties to any shipment can immediately see when changes have been made and by whom along a shipment journey. So the Internet of Things, IO-based real-time visibility and tracking. So IoT sensors are installed on containers, trucks, and transmit data to the Smart Hub dashboard to track valuable shipments, monitor their key physical measurements, and protect high-value products against theft. A client gets positioning data for shipment in real time, irrespective of the shipping carrier that they choose. Also, open and decentralized networking marketplace. Based on blockchain-based trusted networks established among the Smart Hub participants, the marketplace ecosystem will enable verification and scoring of stakeholders in supply chains without the need for third-party credentials. Moreover, the marketplace is a blockchain-based decentralized ecosystem that enables buying, selling, and exchanging of services without the need for intermediaries among the users. So decentralized governance, the Smart Hub members themselves are governing bodies of the network before joining. Every new member in any supply chain network of the Smart Hub needs to be invited and approved by existing members of that supply chain network in the Smart Hub. So you can read more about how it works. They actually have team members, partners, all sorts of pictures and info on their webpage. They've been talked about in Forbes, Bloomberg, Benzinga, Cointelegraph, etc. They have Twitter, Medium articles, YouTube, LinkedIn, Telegram, Facebook, Twitter, all sorts of links. And this token here, like I said, is trending right now on DEX tools. It looks like they're also listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, DEX Screener, BaseScan, all sorts of other places as well. So yeah, trending number 8 right now on DEX tools. They have a market cap of $5.69 million, $397,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap. There is a 100% lock button here also on DEX tools. They have a total supply of 300 million tokens and circulating supply of 230 million tokens. And yeah, go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this, the Obot token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.